Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can become a seller on Temu. It's pretty simple. Now you need to first create yourself a seller account. To create a seller account on Temu, you need to search for Pinduoduo login on your browser. You search for this, the first option pinduoduo.com, the one over here, click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take you to the official website of Pinduoduo. So wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once you're in its official website, you can click on English over here to translate this page to English, otherwise you won't understand it. Over here, since we don't have an account, we need to click on don't have an account yet. Now over here, we need to enter our mobile number, set a password, and enter the 4-digit code which is going to be sent to our mobile number to verify this mobile number belongs to us. Once we do this step, what we can do is basically click on register. Once we do that, our account will be created under this number and this password. And after we log in into our account, we can create ourselves a Temu seller account. And you can link whichever product you want to sell or do whatever thing you want to do. But for being eligible to sell on Temu, you need to have this Pinduoduo account. So I hope you understand how we guys can become a seller on Temu. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Temu related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.